Yo, what's up guys, in today's video we'll be playing Animal Company with my best friend. Where'd you go? With my friend Abraham, and I wasn't able to get my stuff back, and probably when I start farming in this video we can start getting my stuff back, and I hope we get that stuff back, or else I'll try killing myself and also him. So if you guys want to see this video, just subscribe, and if you want to see more videos with some of my friends, and yeah, and also he's not a YouTuber, he just told me. Yeah, that's it. And Abraham's be doing Animal Company for the second time because he never played this game before. And yeah, and then we're probably gonna die a couple times, so this is our death count right here, and see how much we died. Okay, Abraham, we're going on an adventure?
Yeah. Okay.
So, I'm poor. Abraham's kind of poor, I'm not sure. Abraham buying some stuff, and then, yeah, wrap it right there. Well guys, I'm gonna go get my stuff back from the VR thing because okay. Abraham, over here. So where do you wanna go? There's the pond, sewers, the cave and chicken, and the haunted house. Where do you wanna go?
The sea?
Huh?
The ocean? The lake?
Oh, okay. So guys, we'll be going to the pond, and it's kind of difficult trying to break. Come on, Abraham, let's go. Tell me that's not funny, Abraham. Go, Abraham, let's go. Let's go straight. Faster than Abraham. I'm winning. Okay, guys. This is a present that we died a couple times. Abraham's gonna get his crowbar. Abraham, try breaking it with your crowbar.
Gladly.
Just hit it, okay? Just hit the thing. Hit the present. Abraham's gonna die, guys. Abraham's gonna die. Just whack it. Whack it. In the face. Huh. Like, just hit it. Like, just hit it. Not like poke it. Oops. Run, Abraham! Run! Ow, ow, ow. Abraham, run! Just hit it, just try hitting it, okay? Give it to me, I know how to do it. Please. It's on your face, it's on your face. Ow, ow. Stop. Abraham! Go get your stuff. Aaron's already coming because he's coming. And the mimic's right there, so I'll try to find him. And let's try not dying for once. I'll try whacking. Oh, let's go. Go, Abraham. We got stuff. Incoming. Abraham, that's a rocket launcher ammo.
What?
If you get a rocket launcher, no, not me too. No, guys. Oh. Abraham, run. Thank you. You're gonna need that for later, just in case. Like, is there a monster in there? Like, if there's a monster,
Hey, what happened to my crowbar?
It's in there.
Oh, there it is. Let's go.
Hey guys, we're gonna go to the sewers. We wanna go sewers?
Hold on.
Where are you? I think Abraham's deaf or something. I can barely hear him. I don't hear you. Are you mewing? Is that what you're doing? Is he mewing, guys? I don't know. Bro, I don't know what you're doing, bro. I can't hear.
What are we gonna do if we find a mimic?
Mimic, we're probably gonna run or die. I don't know. But let's go. Let's go, Abraham. You wanna go first or I go first? Abraham, come down here. Oh, there he is. Okay, let's go. Go here. We're gonna go over here. Do not go right here, okay? Do not go right here. You got stuck in this part once. Be careful, there's one right here. Do not go over here, okay? Do not go over here. We're gonna get stuck again.
Then what do we do?
Jump over. Stop, stop, stop.
Wonder what was that?
I told you to stop. It's a red light, green light monster. Oh, put this in your bag. Put this in your bag. Put the stuff you
What?
found in the bag. We're gonna sell it. Get some money. I'm gonna go get that gold. Do not follow me. Got the gold, Abraham. Abraham. Get some gold. Abraham, right here.
Where?
Abraham. Rather reach for your back. There you go.
Wait, can you put stuff in my backpack?
Oh, you dropped
Like,
it back.
does my backpack look open?
You dropped it. You dropped it.
Oh.
There. Your backpack's open. That's why. There. Now close
go
it.
in?
Close it. Do not move if he's red, okay? Don't move. There you go. Stop moving. Wait, we're gonna need that. Stop. We're gonna need that. We're gonna need that.
Is it a weapon?
No, it's not a weapon. I'm gonna need. Pause. Go. We're going the wrong way. Wait. Come on, everyone, run. Okay, let's go. We're straight. Sorry. Wait, there's another one. Here.
Where?
It's our lucky day. Yes! Grenades. This is useful. Yes. Now there's nothing in there. Abraham, I already told you. You want me to kill you?
What do we do with this?
This is our safe spot, okay? This is our safe. So here's your backpack. We're only gonna put weapons in here, okay? We're gonna put weapons. There. Okay. There. I'm gonna
the jewels?
put the drills. That, we don't really need that. This is what we need. We don't need that.
But we could sell this for a lot of money. See?
Can't damage me. Okay. How about this? Put this on. It make you glide in the air. We're gonna need that later. I'm just gonna wear your backpack.
Hey, what happened to my shield?
Oh, your toilet paper.
How's your back?
Yeah. Oh my God, Abraham.
Hey, Justin, look what.
Oh.
Put this in your backpack.
Aaron, this is mine.
And
We're
this
gonna.
is mine.
Why'd you shoot?
Oh no.
You can't just use that shoot thing. Wait. I stuck in it. Let me put all this stuff here first. Okay.
No, I need that.
What do you need it for?
I don't know. Hello?
This should be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see more of my friends playing Animal Company and some other games you want me to see. And Abraham's gonna say bye, and then he's gonna be yo shit. I'm probably gonna smack him in the face while I kill him right here.